Do you know that the quarantine time actually the best time for you to stop and analyze what kind of direction you need to choose for developing your business? Many businesses that can continue operating remotely are losing their clients, customers, subscribers. Many contracts are being paused and many services are being cancelled without any notice. And if you don't know what to do with this kind of situation, I will share with you how to save your brand reputation, how to generate new leads, and how to put into action new ideas. Firstly, brand reputation depends on services or products that you offer to the market. Being an entrepreneur, I would recommend you to start solving problems like issues with your product or services. For example, fixing a bad website, a much needed rebranding, or lack of PR or marketing. Actually, it's a great time for you to help your clients to solve problems while doing the things you've been putting off as well. You really need to stay focused on positive solutions. Shift focus from what you can't do to actually what you can do. Try to keep a healthy mental practice of training your brain to immediately think of the possibilities as opposed to the worst case scenarios. Panic thoughts like, I don't know how we are going to be able to stay in business, won't create a kind of a strategic and creative thinking that is really needed right now. Start by listening all the ways you can give value. Are there any additional services or solutions you could offer? You need to look for a strategic or affiliate relationship that can allow you to white label or resell complementary products or services. By going through this exercise, it not only helps you to identify additional income opportunities, but also helps you to keep your energy focused on positive, forward-thinking solutions when times get tough. Secondly, your business depends on employees. Please don't be in panic. Keep a good dialogue, a positive dialogue, and open the door for any suggestions from your team on ways your business can actually adapt to what's happening. Because adaptability, communication, service, and transparency are the critical areas that we really need to master right now. Clients, employees, and products are the main things which is really important for the business. If you have an idea to launch some product to the domestic market and you've never had time to fully plan out, during the quarantine time actually the best opportunity for you to start doing, and I would recommend you to start with mastering your domestic market. It is very important because you will know the offers of the other companies in your city or in your country, and you will know what other companies sell, what kind of characteristics of the product, which models are popular, what are the terms of business, what are the price of the market in general. All these things are necessary because if you're a newcomer in this or that sphere, you can actually buy a small batch from the wholesalers from your country, and it will give you kind of understanding if this business is interesting for you, if you like selling this product, and you can order a bigger batch from the overseas and get a higher profit, or this business is not interesting for you and you don't like selling this particular product. There are several things that you need to ask suppliers about the product, the catalog, the price list, their terms of business, and what is their minimum order quantity for the first batch, for the first order. This research will give you a good overview about the product on your domestic market, and then you can compare prices with the overseas manufacturers, for example with Chinese manufacturers. You know, being a pro about the product is very important because you will be more confident buying some product from abroad, from China for example, and you will know all the keys of the product: price, characteristics, quality and popular models. And if you're ready to start doing business with China, please don't hesitate to write us on email. We'll answer all your questions about the product, and we will find the best manufacturer for producing your branded product in China. So guys, thank you for watching this video up to the very end, and I hope all this information was useful for you. And please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and you will know more about business in China. I will see you very soon in my next videos on Anna Lee. Bye!